everyone. I hope you're all doing well this week. This is yet another report from the Scholars Sports Desk, where we keep you up to date on the latest Scholars athletics and sports. My name is Kayla, and here's what will be on the lineup from January 11th to January 17th. Starting with high school athletics, on Monday, January 12th, there will be a boys basketball away game and a girls basketball home game, both starting at 4:30 p.m. On Tuesday, January 13th, cheer practice will be held in the gym starting at 7 a.m. Basketball practice will take place at 4 p.m., followed by boys basketball practice at 6 p.m. The Scholars swim team will have their first meet of 2026 on Wednesday, January 14th at 4:30 p.m., along with a girls basketball away game at the same time. A boys basketball home game will follow starting at 5 p.m. On Thursday, January 15th, cheer will again have practice in the gym at 7 a.m. Girls basketball will have a home game at 4:30 p.m. and boys basketball will have practice at 6 p.m. Closing out the week of Scholars High School sports, on Friday, January 16th, girls basketball will have a practice starting at 3 p.m., followed by a swim meet at 4:30 p.m. Finally, boys basketball will play in a home game starting at 5 p.m. and running until 7 p.m. To start off the week for Scholars middle school athletics, on Monday, January 5th, cheerleading practice will be held in the theater starting at 2:50 p.m. On Tuesday, January 6th, the boys basketball team will have a home game against MS 232 in the morning at 10 a.m. On Wednesday, boys basketball will have an away game at MS 207 starting at 10 a.m., followed by a practice at 3 p.m. That will be all for Scholars Athletics this week, but make sure to stay up to date with the latest information regarding all things Scholar Sports by subscribing to our YouTube channel, checking out psal.org, and looking at our calendar under the school landing page, scholarsnyc.com, so you don't miss out on an opportunity to know when things are happening with Scholar Sports throughout the season. That's it for the sports report for this week. I'm Kayla, and I'll see you next time.